What's going on, everybody? Josh up here with Lebanon Ford Performance. It is a little bit windy today, so I apologize for any wind noise, but we're out here in our Mustang area. This is actually only about half of our inventory to share an awesome incentive that's going on with Ford Motor Company and here at Lebanon Ford Performance for the month of March. So Ford's putting out massive rebates and incentives for all leftover 2019 Mustang GTs. We still have some here in stock and have a large amount of Mustangs to choose from. So specifically for the month of March on leftover 19s, we're going to be offering, if you decide to go through our LFP Supercharged Mustang program, not only are you going to get the great rebates and incentives from Ford Motor Company, if you choose to pair that with a supercharger, we're going to give you free oil pump gears and half shafts, our protection package, at absolutely no cost to you on remaining in stock 19s only. So what does that mean? That is a $3,200 protection package that we're going to give to you at completely no cost. So that means you're going to have a great, well-priced Mustang GT paired with a supercharger of your choosing through our Pick Your Power program on the Stage 1 and Phase 1 setups specifically, and then you're going to get your protection package at absolutely no cost to you. So that is a awesome incentive here. It's the first time we've ever done that, and we're doing it now on 19 Mustangs. We have so many to choose from, including this 2019 Mustang GT, which has the RTR Series 1 package on it, sitting directly behind me. So if you want to take advantage of this incentive, make sure you call us now or visit us on Facebook. You can actually message us directly through Facebook and speak directly to our sales team and myself included. Or if you're going to be calling in, make sure you mention the Lebanon Ford Performance Facebook ad for oil pump gears and half shafts.